Happy Friday, friends. Mrs. Whitaker here, and it's time for math. All right, I have with me two long sticks, two short sticks. What shape could I make that has two long sides, two short sides? I want you to think. All right. Now, I do not have enough hands to hold this down so you can see this. So I am going to use my magnets. If I had you here at school, I would just lay it down on the carpet and show you, but I don't, so we're going to do it this way. This will work just fine. See, I've got two going that way, and I'm going to do it this way. Now then, I think you can see it without putting that other one. So I've got two long sides, two short sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. What shape does this make? That's right, it's a rectangle. Now if I take and I line them up, I'm going to move them just like this. Just like we were going to lunch or recess. Those sticks are in a line. I still have 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that a rectangle? No, that's not a rectangle. But if I move it back around and, oh, I can even do it up this way, can't I? Is it a rectangle this way? It sure is. Fantastic job. Just thought I would check and see if you still remembered those shapes. You certainly do. Now, we did a thing just yesterday. We've got this river, right? That may be a little too light, so let me go back over it with my darker color. Yeah, that's going to show up much better. And we've got our explorer that wants to get across the river, but he needs some rocks. So we're going to make him a path, right? I need you to count these as I put them up there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 5 and one more makes 6. 6 and one more is 7. Excellent job. Let's count that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, my friends. Now then, take you to this, and I want you to put your hands up just like this, and we're going to go back over counting the math way. But I've got a little story I'm going to share with you. It's almost spring, and all the baby chicks, see them? They're warm inside their eggs. Inside the nest, we talked about the hen in the egg, didn't we? Okay, now when spring comes, the chicks begin to hatch. So one egg has hatched. You got one? Now how many are there? 1, 2. Now how many are there? 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now how many are there? 5. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chicks have hatched. How about this one? 5, 6. Good job. Very good job. Let's go through that one more time. We've got our baby chicks warm inside their egg. Now they're going to start hatching. Do this with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fantastic. All right, for those of you that got the packet, there's this little half sheet of paper, and we've got 2 nests, okay? I want you to draw 6 eggs. So just like here, how many eggs were in this nest? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So draw 5 eggs over here. And then 5 and 1 more would make 6. All right. So this is what that should look like. You're going to draw 6 eggs, 5 in one nest and 1 in the other. And then you're going to draw those straight lines up to show that the chicks have hatched and they're now standing. Excellent job. Now then, the last thing I would like you to do is on this piece of paper, you are going to write your numbers 1 to 10. Now then, I know we stopped at 7, so we just have 8, 9, and 10. If you do not have this paper, write it on a blank piece of paper, and I would love for you to bring this in when you come back to school because I want to see how your writing is. So let's go ahead. I'm going to move my magnet, erase my river, and let's go back over how we write those numbers, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to come down here. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A 1 and a 0 put together is 10, isn't it? Very good. Now the 8 is probably the one that is a little tricky. So let me do that one again. It starts out like our S, right? Does that look like our S? And then you just make that go back on up there. You make an S and then take it right back where it started. All right. Do not forget to also do your 20 minutes of Imagine Math. And that's the puppy dog, remember? All right.